We wanted to move somewhere more beautiful, and as a GP you can work anywhere. So we started looking at sort of top cities in the UK to live, and Cardiff frequently came to the top, so we came to sort of visit. We chose Penarth because I guess it fit lots of our criteria. I like that it's really close to the city, but you're not in it, so we can get out into the countryside, we can come to the pier. When we first arrived and we came down here, we thought we were on holiday. We were going, God, we live here. It's amazing. It's got a really nice community. People have been really welcoming, and it's got great schools, so that was, was high on our wish list. I feel like our quality of life is much better here in Penarth in terms of having lots of things on your doorstep. You can walk along, there's a Michelin-starred restaurant there, a couple of pubs. And when I'm not at work, there's much more opportunities to be doing nice stuff with the kids, getting out and about, and that's really nice. Both of us grew up in areas that are really far from the sea, so it feels like really nice to sort of give them that opportunity. 5 minutes after moving to Penarth, we were like, this is brilliant, I can't believe we haven't done this before, so we feel really smug about it. It's just a really lovely place to live.